Incontrovertible adjective. Incontrovertible. Not able to be denied or disputed. Not able to be denied or disputed. Incontrovertible. 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 Example, incontrovertible proof. Example, incontrovertible proof. Synonyms: indisputable, incontestable, undeniable, irrefutable, unassailable, beyond dispute, unquestionable. Synonyms: indisputable, incontestable, undeniable, irrefutable, unassailable, beyond dispute, unquestionable. Antonyms: questionable. Antonyms: questionable. 1. Her logic is utterly incontrovertible. 2. We have incontrovertible evidence of what took place. 3. These are all incontrovertible facts. 4. CCTV provided incontrovertible evidence that he was at the scene of the crime. 5. It might well be that Chesnais had incontrovertible evidence.